Hello my near and dear ones, welcome back. Once again I am here with a beautiful handmade file. This file is simple and sober with an evergreen topic, my role model. This file is prepared by one of my student Astha Rajput. She made this file very informative after using pictures, quotations, etc. Her creativity and dedication is shown in her work. Her work is really appreciable. You also have a look on her project file. This is the first page of the file, school name with address, afterwards name, class, subject, session, topic, my role model, submitted to, submitted by. Link of PDF is also available in description. Here is index with the list of attached papers in the project file, acknowledgement, certificate, objective of project, action plan, report of the project, conclusion, students' reflection, and finally the bibliography. Now all the papers in detail. First is acknowledgement, you can see. Afterwards certificate, so beautifully she has written. Then topic, my role model. Afterwards objective of the project file, you can see, and action plan of the project file, you can read this one also. And then her role model is Kalam sir, you can see APJ Abdul Kalam, so beautiful pic really. Then Kalam's childhood, she wrote number of things related to Kalam's life, his career and contribution to this nation. Again a very famous quotation of Kalam Sahab. Afterwards presidency period when he was the president of India, and then he wrote books also, you can see this list over here. And then again a quotation, so beautiful. And then about his death, one has to go. Yeah, really salute to this Indian. Finally the conclusion, and afterwards students' reflection. So did really a hard work. And then bibliography, the last page of the project file. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको आस्था द्वारा प्रिपेयर की गई यह हैंडमेड फाइल पसंद आई होगी। आप भी इसे अपने टॉपिक के रूप में ले सकते हैं। नंबर ऑफ़ अदर टॉपिक्स के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल हैं, उन्हें भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको यह फाइल अच्छी लगी है लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, और अर्ली बर्ड्स क्लास पर अगर आप नए हैं विद द बेल आइकन इसे सब्सक्राइब भी करें। सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक for your board examination.